sleep mode and take a nap, and for some reason the device, I think, is running it now. But I did try something that I should have tried on stream. This is what I did. I went into WinRAR and I tried the thing I was assuming, kind of like risk the gambit sort of deal. I copy pasted all the asset files into assets folder. Now, how I knew it was going to be this folder, how I confirmed it, was I went into Notepad++ and did a long search. And mopen, which is open into memory, please. That's GFX's engine's way of saying, where is it? It's right here, I think. Memory.cpp in GFX common memory.cpp is sprintf of the file name into fname, the file name of assets slash the file name $s, I mean percent varg varg, and so this is hard coded. I mean, for some people this is hard coded, some people this is dynamic, but or else just copy the file name if there's a relative path. Kind of didn't explain that nicely, but I also see here, I scrolled up and I scrolled down and it was like if def iPhone 04. So if this was running on the Mac iOS compilation version that I also compile, I also saw this in there, so it tipped me off a little bit to make me think I knew what I was doing. And I was like, well, yeah, this is the asset manager that they use. It's memory.cpp. I mean, completely different name than like your asset manager within my Colo game or scroller game and Colo game. There's different versions of it, but like how I'm trying to do load the asset here, or how I do load the asset, but I haven't yet gotten it to in memory modify things. I should do that on the PC and then mess around with this, because I did compile in the cool etc1 tool into this, so I could not have to load KPM. I could just load JPEG and then generate my compressed texture that I put into VRAM or video memory. VRAM just sounds so much more professional, but whatever. So yeah, we should try to see if we can do this. Let's see what happens when I run this. I believe it works. I already ran this before on stream, but then the NDK camera example, I'm like reanalyzing. I'm like, where is the part that has texture in it? And I haven't even searched for texture yet. Sample texture view, camera sample texture view, com sample texture. Add library cameras texture. I believe I need to find a better sample. I should go get the camera samples and compile those. Texture view surface listener. What is this? This is in camera texture view, Java main sample texture view. Oh, so it's here. So did they do the camera manager? Camera to dev equals true. Camera ID list, get camera. Supported. Create texture view. Texture view find ID. Oh, so the texture view is a class mean, is a component within this courtesy to. It's a Java. Okay, here's the matrix. Something on surface texture view resize, texture view destroyed. It is, I believe. Do we get to see the Java part of this? Drawables, layout, main activity. It is just a thinger, I think. It's just a thinger in Java. It's a view. Oh yeah, we are in view activity. Whoops. So what that does, it would be nice to load it onto an OpenGL view. But this doesn't really tell me how to do it. Image reader. Maybe the basic one does. Camera activity. Camera activity, camera seek bar. Okay. Or maybe one of the camera activities. Yeah, so right here we got this JPEG thinger. But I still didn't get to figure out why texture view is not exposing OpenGL anywhere. There's no EGL create a viewport thinger. I'm guessing because they've probably hidden that code, and yeah, camera equals new camera, motion capture request. I'm just like, how do I put this into the game and make it so person can take screenshot of their face and put it on the character? This is really what I'm hoping to just like make a little side library, but like not all devices support it. Okay, let's go back to the Eclipse Android thing. I believe 6 is the one that had the other game type. MD2 sitters, that electronics, that barrels. Yo Frankie, like some of these are pretty cool websites, these old school ones. Yes, so the camera, let's just download the camera sample too. Camera samples, okay. Basic to video, ML kit, video, HD finder presentation. Camera to basic. I think all of these are like Java though. Like I want the NDK one to be how to load Android camera frame into OpenGL texture via NDK. Yeah, like that's what I want to do. How did they know? Google Graphica. Graphica. Welcome to Graphica, a dumping ground for Android graphics and media hacks. Developed for API 18 Android. While some of the code may work with older versions, vendors some support them. So open source. Oh, okay. So this is like multi-surface test. Live camera texture view detects camera preview to a texture view. I'm not sure they want me to do what I'm trying to do. Simple GL and texture view. Demonstrate use of GLSL, a texture view rather than a GL surface view. there's all this cool stuff. So I guess just download these and extract them. Yeah, and I'm still compiling SDL. Let's get logcat running. Why is logcat not running? Alright, so this pumped into here. With all the new stuff, you could see we got our binaries. Yeah, this is the other thing I gotta set up. This is JDB server because I could see what's going on. So it's kind of like running right now. Let's see, kind of. Okay, the platform tools. So let's say we ran cat log right here. Somehow, after stop being all confused. Oh wow, it's a real big mess. Should I put this? I'll just dump into game source like I don't want to. I should put it into like NDK. Where's the other one? Cancel this one. Scary. Okay, so that app is still running. I mean, this is the app that I pushed on there, and it is running, so let's try to close it and rerun it. How do I close it? Okay, I kind of reran it. Alright, so this is what it looks like in catalog. OpenGL build, hardware paths, clean lock, process Fedora has died. So is it dead? Like it just shows a gray screen, but it didn't crash. Like what does that mean? There's something that's telling me it crashed, something that's telling me it's okay, I guess. It's open in the same common library. I don't know what CL stands for. It stands for some sort of, it's my guess. So sometimes looking at it in a different format and like you could read it better. Failed to generate texture minmap levels, error 3. Okay. All paths SGQ transfer, all paths failed. All paths failed. Hardware min-gen failed. All paths failed. It failed to generate texture minimap levels. Kernel low memory killer sending signal. Okay. Process Fedora has been died. Activity manager cleanup. Application Audible. Application Kindle has died. I'm guessing this is okay. We're not running Audible, but if Audible died, I'm happy. Key issues identified. Input and Dash push pause. Activity Manager shows that your template app is starting, but input dispatch is completely paused. The input dispatch paused for a current activity record. This could indicate UI thread lag or another process temporarily locking the input system. Okay. There is device configuration updates. Config changes equals 420, meaning the screen size orientation of the system have probably changed. Shared libraries. Lib OpenGL so and the lib template app so are already loaded. The app is trying to load libraries, but they are already loaded. This is fine unless they're being reloaded due to an issue. Yeah, texture generation errors. SGVX queue transfer failures. Your power SG GPUs failing to generate minimap levels. Fail to generate texture minimap levels. Error equals 3. This is suggests a texture related issue, possibly due to missing OpenGL resources or insufficient memory. Huh. Low memory killer. Terminating processes. Your system is low on memory, sending killing and causing apps to be brutally, forcefully shut down. Or I added brutally in there. But what I should do is reboot the device. Oh, that's nice. It gave me that. That's perfect. That's something new for today. Because I could implement my texture thing that I implemented in the other one, but I would need to go and do a lot of hacking. I would need to like go and do it and then go back to this and do it in this. It would be nice to do the multiplayer, but it's like hard. Damn it. Ugh. I hate you. Explorer died. That's who I hate. Okay. Because now everything got disorganized a little bit. I should go take a break maybe and go outside and get some air. Wow. Excellent destruction of... But I like how it gave me this Calm Android chapter 2-2. But I did load even the walk texture, I mean the walk. So it looks like the device is just running out of memory, which is not that bad. But it's kind of bad because all I see is a gray screen and I can't see anything, which is like, I don't like I wanted to see at least the character in 3D. But what I should do is go ask Grok or a Copilot about how do I check how much VRAM does my device have. So that's like the ultimate like test right there, because my other app and stuff is optimized and I should be able to write the program to load compressed textures, and that should like fix the issue right off the bat. I don't even need to write that other code, but I would need to write like 2 different code bases. One just a simple test, should be faster. Then I would need to rewrite their library to like load compressed textures instead of the ones they're using. It's also like, how's that gonna work? Well, it's easy. It's just like, if you find JPEG, just replace with PKM or whatever. Okay. Memory usage in kilobytes. Uptime, real time. Oh wow, it's been up for a little while. Views 12, app context 5, assets 4, proxy binders 22, asset managers 4, activities 2, view root implementations 2, assets 4, local binders 10, open SSL sockets. Memory used, alloc heap, free heap size. This is a nice thing to know. Can I do this to my other devices? Let's just play with this a little bit. Love PC gaming. Play hundreds of high quality games with friends. No. I'm gonna make a game to make multiplayer, not play it. Alright. Let's plug in Mr. Big Bad Phone that I bought for about $200. That's the new and improved of all this. Okay. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can, but what if I just do... There's no process. Yeah, I knew that was going to be... What if I just do without that? Uh-oh. We've killed it. We've destroyed the Gibson. Okay. Oh, wow. It gives me all this shit. It gives me all this shit. So if I run it on the other one... Camera Hall server? Oh my god. Yeah, but this thing can... It's like a beast compared to the other one. This is a really nice command, though. Xiaomi. And it's really nice because you get to see all the spyware that's running on it. Like, I should run this on my other phone. It's got all the spyware on it. And I could sit there and pick off these processes that I don't like. We'll just see how the embedded Google Chrome with hacks in it. Comms Zidifo app musically. And whatever that is, it's taking up more than system. Like, I get system is using that much memory, and then system UI, security center, stupid security center, general messages and GM quick Google search. Yeah, quick Google search. Google's embedded, persistent, spying on you is taking up more than the MUDI security center. Com game space shooter too. Oh well, so like having apps open really does bog down your system. Okay. Oh, my scroller game takes 200 megabytes in memory. Oh wow, that is a bad thing. What am I running right now? Am I running the other scroller app? I should be running... Yeah, this. Let's go check the manifest file. Manifests. And so... Yeah, Android scroller game 1. If we main Colo game 2, this is the better, I mean, this is the newer version. Scroller game 1, I mean, Scroller game 2, that's at 200 something. Here, I'll just... Okay. This is scroller game 1. It's not the one taking up 200. This one should be somewhere down there. It's kind of hard to find it like this. It'd be easier to just go... or it might be a different one. Yeah, I don't think it was going to be that. It's not that, okay. So what is it then? It's in one of these files. Oh, here it is. I forgot to put... Alright, didn't even know the name, sorry. Well, and it failed again. Why? It's more shit. Okay. There is a process named this running. It's the process I'm running right there. Okay. That's just stupid. And it goes from, it's a SDK 30 and 34. Interesting. Let's do this then. Previous foreground. Oh, so it shows you them persistent service. Interesting. Okay. What was the other command I wanted? No, I wanted to do some kind of other command. Yeah, let's go pull something nice. Let's go pull whatever this thing is. So what if I did so later I'm gonna have to go pull that spyware stuff out. I want oh, this is nice. I have two of these open. Ooh, what's this? What is everything use GLM? Damn it. Oh, it's shuffled my stuff. That's why I'm so confused. I'm like, why is it in the wrong place? It's like, oh, it's because it got shuffled by Explorer. Yeah, it's in this one. Okay, so I just wanted to copy paste it. I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna type that. Oh no, wait, we gotta do it like this. Oh, we gotta list its packages too first. All these fun things. And then we do a poll. And then we do just will return something like this. Let's have this all prepped. Okay. Alright, let's do that. Where would I want to download it to? I don't want to type all that out. Okay. It like died or something. Okay, that's the memory info. Whatever. What packages does this use? One package. Let's get it or something. This is where it's located. It's got a bunch of language files, ad blocker thing, split DF TikTok font APK. Oh, so this is TikTok. Hell yeah, I want to decompile TikTok. So what we would have to do, let's just do this fast. And take this, double paste it. Your app, your face. Oh, okay, so we're gonna have to start from here. Oh, Notepad++ is notorious for making this not work right. That's okay though. We'll like multi-copy paste if I have to. Package will be replaced by this. In selection, replace wrap around. No, I don't think we need that. Replace all. Ah. That was bad. Damn it. Why would it do this to me? It's replacing a new line. There's like a new line that's invisible right there. That's why that was happening. Okay. So we got that. Then all we need to do... It's interesting. But it's not going to let us like decompile this really like I want to, but... We have to put the local name. It doesn't give us the other versions too, like x84, 7v. I wonder if I can download TikTok on the other device. It might not even work because it's so shitty. Alright, let's just try. This is like the ultimate test. It's so big. Where's that folder? No. 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 Oh yeah, I was compiling curllib. It's another like project I'm bending. It's bad. Ugh. I should just go into the Kindle and just literally sit there and just close everything and then see if it'll load up that way. Alright, does this work? Come on. Oh wow. Wow. That is a big app. It's sending it through Wi-Fi, that's why it's a little slower. That's my excuse. But this is the longest file. This is the base APK. This is the main TikTok. We're downloading TikTok. Fuck this. Hack TikTok. How to code in C OpenGL ES 3.0 NDK camera for shader to modify NDK camera view. Okay. How do you mount it? Is it going to tell us? Indicate texture is bound. Oh yeah, it's done like this. Active jail texture 1, bind texture camera texture, get uniform camera. Damn it. Stupid thing. Gotta go ask Grok about this. See what he says. Alright, this seems to be... interesting. Okay. Oh, okay, so in the shader you put this. He wrote us the 2.0 version, which is kind of cool. Yeah, okay, GL3, X2 for geotextural, so... Let's do something hard. Alright. Did we download TikTok? Yeah, we did. How big was it? 107 megabytes. Wow. Okay. The other parts of it shouldn't be that big. But we never know. There could be 100. I mean, it could be 500. Yeah, I mean, split config. Yeah, there's more shit. It's like 500 megabytes total, or 2 gigs. You could also download the Facebook app manager. Oh, there's a catalog app? We could download catalog in GDB server and decompile it. Never mind. Okay. It's got all these classes, .dex files. I'm guessing this thing runs like Chrome. Billing.properties. What's inside this? Assets. Oh my god. Oh, we could like rip off all the TikTok assets. Since TikTok's like not gonna work anymore. Alright. Oh, it's got a bunch of JSON and welcome screen video. Let's watch this. Damn it. Some extension on Windows to watch an Android thing. That's dumb. I could just like put it inside an NDK media player sample or something and play it. And just run it through the emulator all ghetto. Do we have a media sample here? Native media assets. Eclipse media.ts. Native codecs. Let's say NDK sample that will play MP4. Yeah, I mean, I could just install FFmpeg and play it on the computer. Oh, and then we could just play it using the same method as the camera. Yes. Media NDK, native, initialized media extractor. Let's replace SD card with assets. Oh, we could have a shader for displaying the video. Cool. So it's whatever this A media codec thing is. Oh no, I opened a media file using text editor. Close this. That was really cool what it just showed, but it's like not good for your text editor. It can cause memory buffer overflows and stuff. Alright, native codecs, the JNI. So inside this one, how are they doing it? What's inside of assets? A test file MP4. We can't open this, can we? Okay. So what if we ran it on Pixel? Pixel run native codec. It might not be the same codec, meaning not the same format, not the same whatchamacallit, this thing or format. MIME type. What's the correct name for that? Decoder. Yeah, there's different decoders for MP4. There's a bunch of different formats. So native codec, runner on Pixel. I want to see it on the Pixel. I don't want to see it on my device. That beats the purpose of Windows asking me for 99 cents and me not conforming to its communistic standards. Or capitalist, sorry. Same difference almost. Microsoft versus Google. That's always like a one party precedent or something. Then we have, where's their stupid folder? I'll make a folder called assets, I guess. And assets, we will put, oh, explore movies purchased. Wow, this thing is so bloated. It's like such a commercial piece of garbage. I need VCL player, like the old one, compile it myself. Yeah, damn it. Why did I even touch media today? Yeah, I gotta go back to my device. Okay, successfully finished the installed. So I'm wondering if you can compress these. Codec files. What happened to WinRAR? Where is WinRAR? Okay, so we have this file, right? Is there anything else we could open it with? I don't believe so. Oh, there's like 2 media players. That's stupid. Oops, I forgot to turn it on. Wait, what is this? Native codec? Oh, okay. So it's playing this file. This is what the file contains. What does that do? Oh, nice. So it has OpenGL here, or what? What is this? Oh, it plays it on top of the surface. That's cool. It shows off that it can do that. So you could like take the camera and post it on top of this. Nice, okay. So let's say what happened here? The media player cannot play the codec. Yeah, the decoder or the codec is not supported by Windows. Refactor, whatever. Welcome screen. We're not going to rename this. We're going to copy paste the name. Then we're going to go into application, search for test file .mp4, item clips, source array, and I'm guessing I could just do this and it would actually have both files available for its playing, because it did have this like little cool menu. I'm guessing if you overload the memory it'll like stop working like it did on the other device. Okay, so let's see, Pixel 4. I actually do have a Pixel 4a that's broken. So I could actually hook it up and it would work through this. But I don't know the password. I think people use the Windows clicker and messed it up. Welcome to the home screen video. Oh, so that's what you see on TikTok when you just join. So it works. So I was able to not pay Microsoft the codecs because I downloaded Android Studio, put it into this assets folder, and ran the Android codec. Cool. Yes. I did it. Hacks. Fuck TikTok. Microsoft. And thank Google. There's that little TikTok video. Oh, playing TikTok. Why doesn't it work here? Damn it. Will test file work? They're both not working. What's wrong? That's stupid. Why can't it recycle the texture like it did before? Oh, there it goes. You have to like switch to it. Oh, that's stupid. You have to use the scroll bar. Is it playing super slow? I believe so, just to make that file like small and like the video long. That would be the trick. Okay. That's funny. TikTok. We've installed TikTok. What else do we have in the TikTok folder that's like interesting? There's probably more stuff. Ending watermark sonic audio. Like, what if you went? You can't just like go. Oh, the API key. Oh, we have an API key here. We could, that's exposed. I wonder what this API key does. Cool. That's nice. Okay, so we got TikTok's passwords people commonly use. It's always nice to have this file. This file is awesome. Pretty interesting stuff though. So if I make my own little thing, I can recycle this file. Be like, do not use these passwords. TikTok doesn't want you to even use them. Live composer, smooth local, reshape. Oh, we got shaders. Nice. Video shaders. So this is the video shaders that they use. Why is it a shell script? Yeah, so it's a video. It's this. We've learned about this recently from Grok and how I demonstrated. Bar trans BMT fragment shader. Do not use the Microsoft Store to open this file. That's so stupid. Okay, so this is really basic. Kind of. I wonder what this does though. Something with the exponential on the whole vector. Something about exposure, I think. It's increasing it somehow. Okay, alpha texture coordinate. This is the vertex shader, isn't it? Yeah. It's passing in both the varying... There's two texture coordinates here going in. Huh. I like seeing this. Just go into GitHub and search for this. Final and cool FFmpeg code. Okay. Oh wow, it wrote all this to us. Oh, it does it have like a side panel? Yes, it has this new thing. Grok upgraded to like what Bard does. So let's go ask Bard to do the same thing. While we go search GitHub and get back to why the memory does not work. Any file that contains this. Okay, there's a lot of code that has this. GLKG device. GL surface view. Android camera. Yes, here's a camera device project. Oh good, it's in Chinese, so you know it's going to be even better. So I already like TikTok recorder, multi-surface view. See if we could start our multiplayer journey somehow. Search for this. Just gives me another idea. Oh, crap. Alright. What engine is this? Dawn engine? Using this? Dawn engine. This is Dawn engine. Game engine designed for handling galactic-sized game worlds. Oh. Okay. How would I do this? I'd have to go. Just so I don't have a git thing inside here. Git. Single branch, blah blah blah. Probably not going to be able to compile this without Visual Studio. There's 8 branches. Let's try then. Not all this garbage. Is it in 307? Develop default. Where was that code though? You found it in net transport. Hypersomia, network client, ITSC engine, secure server, Sandboxia. A lot of implementation here. ICEA, Hypersomia again. LD3 network. Twin stick game. The sample game features a set of engine. Fix box collisions. Huh. There's a lot of Visual Studio stuff. I just need to do like horde collection. New things to try out. That sounds procrastination. Okay. Just need to include this. Game server. Game adapter. MSysURT, Docker, Desktop, Windows, Ubuntu, Premake, path to Premake. Yeah, so because he, the guy that made Yojimbo likes to use Premake. Deps Premake, G Premake, make Premake, GCC, and CC Clang Gmake. SDL Clang build. SDL GCC build. Interesting, because we got SDL also on the horizon. Oh, nice. All these good things. So if I can build this. It'd be nice to do this command to do fresh out the section somewhere. Yeah. If I could make the server run on Raspberry Pi or my Linux box that doesn't have a kernel right now, that would be perfect. And then have the Linux kernel host the Raspberry Pi and Wi-Fi and host it for Windows and Android. That would be perfect. What was this again? This was the perfect project. Yeah, clumsy lag network emulators. Oh yeah, I wrote them all down right here. Alright, let's go see. Oh well, I didn't think I was going to guess that right. This was quite a while ago. Huh. Okay. Oops. Alright. I downloaded the other sample too somewhere. Yeah, Graphica. Getting too much stuff and not getting anything done. No. No. Doesn't work anyway. Okay, let's go figure out why my device. Alright, let's go shut down stuff. Oh crap. This is what happens. Nothing. Nothing happened, but at least it doesn't crash. This is like an accomplishment of a sort. How do you make an app that just has a gray screen? It takes up space. Yeah, you need skills to do this too. So yeah, let's see. Let's see here. How do I tell what's running? How do I kill it? I don't know how to use this thing right. I used to. So I tried to install Hummer UVC camera. I don't think this thing has a camera. I can't see one on it. There's no camera on this device, which is kind of cool. So, got Amazon logo. Got a little like volume changer. It works. Got a little speaker here. So this device is like no camera. And so you can have this. There's a game on here called FF and Friends. Don't forget to collect your daily coins. You must be signed in to Amazon store to run this app. Quit, and you're screwed. Play as guest. Okay. You are in full screen mode. Swipe to finish full screen mode. Something else. It's just gray again. I don't know. So maybe it doesn't allow you. Oh, it went back to my app. But the other apps I was doing, like this one, just crashes. Like, boom. Crashed. Here's the other one. Boom. Crashed. Or I don't know. I don't know what that does. It's not working. I mean, it doesn't crash. It just doesn't do anything. And this one just shows gray. Runs out of memory. Yeah, the debugger thing works. Okay. It's a sad thing I'm trying to do, but Google tells you don't do this. Amazon already threw these devices into the trash. I'm trying to recycle it. I don't know why. At least for my game. Well, it's making me learn a lot of the other things I need to know for regular development. Like, I kind of knew how to decompile APKs, but this today really got me into like thinking, oh, what if I just pull off TikTok? And I've tried something like that before, I remember, but it takes a little while to get into it. Oh yeah, this is the NDK tunnel. This was like a freaking monster app to get to work, because I had to put it in a directory. Frag files, install plugin. No, I could read shader files by hand. There's no need. This will compile in a minute. I'm gonna go take a break. Okay. I really wanted to do more sprite manager stuff today, and I didn't get to for some reason. Got all into this other things. That really messed things up. Oh, it's this sample. This is an older sample. Okay. Let's try that. I don't know what else to do, really. That's like the best thing I think I can do. I may just switch to Java. This is the interesting camera NDK sample, but it's not showing the other source files because it's so messed up. Let's see. Okay, can't sync because this should be easy to fix. Oops, I'm in the wrong thing. Project structure or something. Oh, it gives you this. Okay. It knows things about it. Can't switch that. Okay. Forgot how to do it, damn it. Okay, this is where it is, the wrapper. We might have downloaded JDK. Hold on. JVM maximum compatible version Java JVM is 9. Minimum compatible version is the minimum compatible version Gradle version is 8.2. We recommend Gradle version 8.10. And Gradle cannot sync the project Java. It told me that 4.1 was the minimum, and that was telling me 8. Well, it does it with 7. Let's try this for a second. I really don't want to. I really want to download. (11) 1.8. It doesn't give me the option to get 9, does it? The maximum compatible version is 9. Oh, so it's 1.9 that I need. I should be able to use 1.8. Hmm. I didn't want to do that. Oh well, let's just see what happens. I think I could upload these one by one. Crap. I'm gonna hijack the settings off of this. So if that works, it's probably gonna fuck everything up. Uh-oh. Problems already. We don't need that. Right. So far so bad or something. Just to uh-oh, why is this like this? I think I should have changed this too. Damn it. Oh well. What was the other project we loaded? We loaded cameras. Oh yeah, Graphica. What is Graphica? Alright, so we got... it's interesting. Okay, so this looks a little bit more, but this is 3.3. This is also the same problem, just a little bit more updated. Let's set the Java version down first, and then go from there. I could also point it to that 1.7 I installed. Yeah, I could try that. I should have tried that with the other project, but it's too late. I could always re-download it and try it again. Okay. Oh. NDK camera app build. Terrible, terrible problems. What's wrong with this? Okay, he rewrote it for us. Build script. Where's build script? Oh well, if it dies, it dies. How should that header look like? Should just start with build script, no? Apply plugin. So that's okay. Why is it so mad? Plugin with Android. Com application not found. Oh. Apply plugin. Apply plugin Android. I think he got it a little wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to do it like this. I don't know. This library path thing is the thing I'm worried about. He gets this wrong. Sometimes it's Android, sometimes it's COM Android. What the fuck? Oops, I think I fucked that up. Oh well. Okay. Makes sense, kind of. Espresso support annotations. Okay. Recorder. Well, it seems to be working out. I hope. It's a little better than I was before at this, but this was all like Rock's work some other way. Oh, wow. Alright. Well, okay. That looks like a good message. That looks like a bad message. It looks like it's going to take more hard drive space. More hard drive space. This would be a nice project to have around though for camera usage. Damn, it needs all this like weird middleware shit. Middle stuff. Damn. It seems like it's working though. Since it's need all that stuff. Wow, it's just doing all this shit. It's laggy. Even in this game for some reason. Build successful. Wow, okay. So we got all these projects now, do we? Okay, let's just try GL surface view. Let's try to run it.
You have a cat?
No.
What?
No.
Where?
No. NDK R21E. Interesting. Program. Here it is. Extend shader program. Oh, that's the thing I was kind of talking about. It's all Java. This is the library. So it's trying to package this library and send it off to the other thing. Where's the build.gradle file though? Yeah, it's a library. May have to change all of these AB filters. Just take them all out. GL surface preview. Yeah, it should be like this. Oops, I remember I didn't go back and fix one of them. It's like, don't manually modify this, but I have to. Okay. So it built the project successfully again. Let's see if it's able to hook into the library now. Or use the library. Build failed again. Java. Compact activity. Error cannot find symbol. Imports, Android support annotation, no. Okay. It's trying to use all these old Android libraries. Some input files override a deprecated API. Recompile with lint deprecation details. 10 errors. Not that bad. It's like really close. It's practically there. It just doesn't want to use app compact for this thing. Corrected Gradle build library. Add support libraries dependencies. Okay, we gotta add this to who? The library? Yeah, we gotta add it to the library class. I mean the Gradle file. Let's put this in here. Support v4.25.4. Wow. Okay. I never actually used, well, I did use this library before, like a little while back, quite a while back. Okay, so it has to download it too. I knew that that was going to happen too, but then it has to build it in. Already disposed, module camera library disposed. I think it threw it away, cleaned it. But what does that mean? I just want to know what this means. Oh wait. Okay, it's syncing. It means it's thinking. What does that mean though? Yeah, assemble it. Go and delete your caches. Yeah, I knew it. Task clean root project there. It actually like puts it into your Gradle file how to clean it. Yeah. Okay, this one should be a little simpler. Should be just a one-handed swipe. Let's upgrade to 7.5. Let's just do this. Should be. This is all Java, isn't it? Oh wow. I kind of got it to work. It's doing all this stuff. Oh, it's so bad. I got some space here, but no space here at all. This is never gonna boot. Alright, we're gonna try to build this library too. I mean, this project. Aside from those, got this classic one going on. Should be able to push it to the device. Knowing my prior knowledge that I discovered this morning. It looks like it's working. It'll give me the SO files, I think, with this. But, yeah, we got libjpeg.a, static library. We want SO libraries though. Uh-oh. It's just like mad. So many things are happening. Alright, we're just gonna rest on this one for a second. Go back to these camera samples I just have to load individually. These camera ones, it's still syncing. Like what is this doing? I believe I gotta reload everything and do a clean. Yeah, I can't just like... It's just stuck. It's thinking though. It had more of them here, didn't it? Yeah. It got really mad. I tried to do too many things. Alright. So some of these older ones you have to compile with older Gradle. And I believe the way to do it is command line. I have to like safely help out my C drive. What is this? Oh. Some sort of Windows SDK ISO. Oh well, I'll see what I can delete after I get it to the other drive. Oh, if I free up 9 gigs, I'll be happy. I want to try out Joe Mark. I don't know why that moved down. So this one compiles shit differently.
Need your help. The cat's stuck in a tree.
You're a tree.
I'm serious though. Help me.
Dude. It just jumped down, dude.
I've never seen it up there. It doesn't look like looks like he's just stuck up there. That's it.
apk.apk. It's a cool name. I'm surprised if this works. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Got it. I didn't get the big one, I actually got the small one to work, and this one's easier because it's got a better starting base because it's smaller and it's playing music. I can hear music. I mean, it's really simple. It's just, it loads that picture that I pasted. and that OGG file. So this is like the two basic things you really need that the other one has too. The OpenGL graphics stuff I know how to do. So I can do this now on Android, old, iPhone, new and old. Obviously there's no detection yet. Doesn't do anything. It just plays the sound. But it works. I was able to load the dinosaur device. That's funny. Just from trying to make like a little tutorial out of it. I'm pretty happy then. I could go to sleep. Let's see what happened to Android Studio. Chaos in Android Studio. Oh no. Cradle failed. Shield surface view. Cradle project in sync. This is seriously needs to be shut down. Wow. What am I supposed to do with this? Just kill it? Okay. Look at the source code though. Is the source code? It's not in C++, is it? Maybe it is. Application.mk, asset loader, JNI glue. No, it's in C++. And it's got all these libraries too. The most important ones. Audio and compression. For this needs compression. And this render flame, play sound. There's no like I guess no threads in this.
You're making food, right?
Oh, whoops.